Michelle here with Unicorn Spit. Of course, you can find me at www.unicornspit.com, and you can also find me on Facebook. We have a page, so give me a like, and we also have a group, so come and join our Unicorn Spit family. Today, I'm here to show you how to take some average golden oak cabinets and give them a whole new life with a beautiful color blending that brings them navy blue and also a little bit of color shifting. So follow along with me as I show you how to redo your kitchen too.